Alright guys, it's a couple days later after the snow and everything, so I decided I can't really get to the repairs on the truck right now just because of how nasty it is. I mean, if I did a jack from this, like, the truck's gonna fall over, it's kind of dangerous. But as muddy as it is, I figure we can still go and have a couple of fun shots. But there's mud everywhere. It's gross. Before we go ahead and take a couple of shots, I hope you guys enjoy. What it is that we believe. Friends, is how you play 2017 Ford Raptor.